Hello everybody, welcome back to our 3 Info channel. In today's video I'll show you how to enable or disable the HDMI CEC on your MSI G242L. So first, what you guys want to do is go over to the settings. Now here we need to go over and scroll down to the settings too. And here we will have the HDMI CEC. Now when we press OK, so basically the big red button behind, then it will disable. I've had it enabled, but if you did not have it enabled, then you will enable it. As you guys can see, we just turned it off and it had to restart, and now it's off. But we can do the same to enable it. We just have to wait a couple of seconds to get our monitor back to life. So that's basically it for the video. I hope it was helpful, and if it was, then leave a like, sub, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.